Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ITEL S25 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, this operation is pretty similar in all the browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to do it. So now let's simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the history. So here we've got the list of all previously visited websites, and if you want to remove them you can simply tap on this X button right next to it. However, if you want to do it automatically or remove some advanced browsing history, tap on Clear Browsing Data, and here we've got basic options like the history, cookies, site data, cached images and files, and in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. So if you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. I will remove everything. We can also change the time range, so it's up to you. I'll choose maybe all time and then simply tap on clear data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which means that we just successfully removed everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.